If I was going to have my own restaurant, this would be on the menu. I'm going to use some Oscar Mayer bacon bits. They're very good. Some Hellmann's mayonnaise, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, sweet pickle relish, a couple onions, an egg, some provolone cheese. This is American cheese. If you have an aversion to this, you could use cheddar. But this is not the peel. You know, it's a much better cheese. And a pound of ground beef. Let's get started. The first thing I do is I slice up the onions and add them to the pan with 2 tablespoons of butter and sprinkle them with some salt and cook these onions up. The next thing I do is I take my 1 egg, a teaspoon of salt, that's kosher coarse salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of Worcestershire, a tablespoon of mustard, and mix this up. I like to let it sit for about 5 minutes. This is marinated for about 5 minutes. I like to do that because of the egg really accepts all the flavors, and then when you mix the egg in with all the flavors, it really goes through the ground beef. So you want to mix this all up. Then divide it into thirds the best you can and make 3 patties out of it. I like to add a little bit of oil to the pan. The pan's been heating up about 5 minutes. And then we'll add our burger and cook it up. Set it aside. Get my skillet that I cooked the onions in and let this, it's warming up with the heat. Put some butter on the bread. This is rye bread, pumpernickel bread. And turn heat down a little bit. Add some onion. Add some provolone. Add the burger back on. It's going to be good. Add some of the secret sauce. American cheese. A bit more butter. Just like that. And cook this very slowly under low heat. Here's our sandwich. It's all done. Just need to give it a little bit of a cut. I used Pepperidge Farm bread that is like half pumpernickel, half rye. It's good stuff. So good. It's just perfect if you ask me. And the secret sauce will be in the description. Just open up the description. You'll see the sauce. I love that sauce. And thank you so much for watching.